This is Ipswich Hospital, which has some lifts from a rather unknown, weird little 70s company, Becker Lifts, and it's lift tour time. Now to the first Becker lift. These lifts are hydraulic and have really simple, rather odd logic system. Let's ride the first one. Now let's ride the other one. And now let's go along to the Becker service lift. This one's staff only, so even more reason to ride it. And now to the next lift, where we find out something I didn't know about the unknown, forgotten bits of England's lift history. What happened to Becker lifts? And also, what happened to Wadsworth lifts? Wadsworth is a rather weird little company, which hardly a single lift from them has survived. What happened to Wadsworth and what happened to Becker? Well, in 1986, Becker and Wadsworth merged. This is a really unknown, forgotten bit of England's lift history. And in 1988, Wadsworth Becker were taken over. And in East Hospital, there is an extremely rare Wadsworth Becker lift. Let's ride it! And now to the lifts in the tower. Sadly, these have been modernised.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Floor 9. Doors opening.
And now to the service lifts in the tower, which are locked! No! And now to the next lift, which is made by a small local company in the 80s. H Bril Co, Blackburn Limited. A nice little lift by a little local company.